How's it going, everyone? It's Reversal Trader King, where I catch you guys bottoms and tops in the stock market. Now, I have to talk about GWAB. It just got absolutely destroyed, and we see this all the time on reverse splits, right? It had a 1 for 150 reverse split, and the day of the reverse split, like 9 times out of 10, it goes straight down. And then I've seen it where the next day, it just goes like up so big, right? So we kind of want to see where are we looking at for an entry and the safest thing, because I'm going to show you guys an awesome strategy that I'm seeing set up here, and you can make a lot of money doing this, right? So right now it's it's looking like pretty nice for me to take a little stab at this, and I'm going to show you exactly what I'm looking at. But do keep in mind, these are very volatile plays. As you can see, this thing moves very fast. It's down 26% today. Yesterday, it was 8. The next day, 15. The next day, 37, 8. It just went down and down and down from the very top. And unfortunately, a lot of people got lured in on these pumps right in here. And it's just never going to go back up there. I'm not going to say like absolutely impossible, but the chances are it's extremely rare. This has been a very good stock for bottom reversal type of plays and has made tons and tons of money. And I think we're setting up for a nice move up. And I'm going to show you guys exactly why and the best risk versus reward to take on this trade. I'm very excited about this trade because I know this can make a lot of people money. And I know you guys, need another good play. This is the play I'm going to show you guys. And also, guys, if you guys want to know my actual trades that I'm in, my entries and exits, how to use this system properly with, real time with being in a community, do take the time to join the premium Discord of only $6 a month. It's right here. You can see tons of members in here. We have over, 3,000 members all together in a short amount of time because this strategy works, and you can do it however you want. I'll put the link down below in the YouTube comments. Do take the time to join. It's only 20 cents a day. You're going to love it. So here's GWAB. We know with this system, when we hit the upper band, it sells off. Where does price have to go back to? That is your EMA 5, 10, and 20. Price has to go back to that. So if you know that, that is powerful knowledge. So every time you see price not touching your 5, 10, and 20, and sometimes, especially the 5, it shoots back to touch it. As you can see right in here, we bounce off the EMA 5 right here. We make a massive move up, bounce off one more time, and make a move up. And then we shoot all the way back down and touch the 20, just because this is a penny stock. It's very volatile, and it can do that. And then it shoots right back up to almost fill this gap in, but not quite. So what we're seeing is we had the reverse split out of the way. That's done. We needed it to be done, and now it's gone. 1 for 150. What I'm really liking about this trade, as a lot of people might think, oh my gosh, this is scary, right? What I'm seeing is, one, we want to really pay attention to this EMA 5. This is going to be the key where you can make a lot of money. So right in here is our last time we touched the EMA 5, which is our purple band. And this is one of the strategies I use with this. There's so many ways to use this strategy. You can base it on the EMA 10 and 20 for time distance. I'm really liking the EMA 5 because it gives you more consistent and faster returns. So right in here, we have the EMA 5 touch, and then right in here, we're not touching the EMA 5. We have literally 1, 2, 3 full days, and we have massive black space down in here, way above the EMA 5, which is at $6.93. The current price is $4.27. So that can kind of tell you, okay, there's some wiggle room to pump, and I've seen stocks just go straight to EMA 10 and 20. Can it happen? Absolutely. Will it? I don't think so. It could pump to the 10, but I could for sure tell you it's going to pump to the EMA 5, rather soon. But I want to wait at least 1 week. Let's give this 1 week, 2 more days. 2 more days of under the EMA 5, and you can kind of see how much the EMA 5 fluctuates, because we want to time this perfectly. Right now, the EMA 5 at this date was at $9.49. The next date, it was at $8.26. So it does fluctuate pretty big when it's way up here, right? And so this $8.26 to $6.93, we're losing about $1. We want to make sure we time this, because when it does pump up, it can pump at least $1 or $2, and that could be massive money. The next thing I want you to show you guys is what's probably the most important for this nice rebound type of play, is the K on the KDJ, where you'll see my arrow. The K on the KDJ is 4.70. The last day was 5.77. If I scroll one more day over, it was 8. As you can see, the K on the KDJ is going to get smaller and smaller and smaller. When it gets extremely small, there is a chance of a pump happening, very likely. This has lots of eyes. It has 2 million volume here. Obviously, it was way more volume back before. We're not going to get that kind of volume, but we can definitely get the pump to the EMA 5 and EMA 10. And that is massive gains. The EMA 10 is at $9.28. EMA 5 is at $6.93. I suspect it to go down to around $5 the next day, and then $4 the next. But this will be around that area to give us that next $1 to $2 move up, which is massive gains, right? Because if any stock can do it, this stock can do it right here. I also want to show you guys something pretty cool here I saw. So I'm going to go to the 15-minute chart, and what you can see on the 15-minute chart, it's the same thing as my bread and butter type of plays. Let me show you guys real quick also my bread and butter. Because I don't really like to... I love the bread and butter where you have massive time distance of not hitting your EMA 5, 10, or your 10 and 20. And as you can see, price always hits your 10 and 20. It just has to. Anytime you see, a chart, right here we hit the 20, right here we hit the 20, right here we hit the 20. Every price will magnet. So a lot of the times my bread and butter type of plays is I will buy at the bottom band. And as you can see, for a quick gain to the 5, 10, and 20. But I always make sure I'm under the EMA 5 for precise entries. And here was another big alert for the big bottom reversal type of play where you're under the 5 and you had room up to the 10 and 20 because we have not hit the 20 in so long, and price does that to a T. It's just really nice, actually, right? So that's the system here. I'm going to wait 2 days. I would like to see the K under 3. That's why I would like to wait 2 days. And but yeah, let me show you guys intraday time frame at 15 minutes. It works to a T right in here. We could have got a nice little entry here around the 3.90 area. And if you did just kind of want to, kind of scalp a little bit in here, 390 all the way to 490, there's your dollar move right in here. Obviously, you're not going to get like the very bottom, but you could have got like an 50 to 80 cent rise right in here, because price will do, so if price hits the lower band on a much lower time frame compared to the daily, it's going to hit it much more often, and price will have to go to what again? The 5, 10, and 20. And look what we do. We hit the 5 here because it's the fastest one. We have to hit the EMA 5 faster than the 10. 10 gets hit here, and then the 20 gets hit later on. But this is a nice little return from this nice little area, and literally in 15-minute time, we went from 390 all the way to 490. That is massive return. So do not take advantage of the intraday time frames. As you can see, they do work quite often. As you can see right in here, you accumulate here for a return up in there. But yeah, I'm not going to do that strategy yet, but that's what I'm going to look for when I'm ready to take this trade. I'm going to go to the intraday time frame, use the daily, make sure we have plenty of distance to the EMA 5, and we're ready to go, guys. All right, so this is looking like a nice bull move. If you guys want to join the premium Discord of only $6 a month or 20 cents a day, do keep in mind, if you want to join, go down below to the YouTube comments. I'll pin the comment. It will say, join the premium Discord for my alerts and system. You can't miss it. I'll post it myself. It'll be everywhere in my description and anything. And when you click that link, it'll take you to this free chat landing page. And what will happen is, what you want to do is, you're not a subscriber yet, you want to read how to subscribe. A lot of people with Androids are having issues, so if you read if you have an Android, this is a very crucial channel to read. And also avoid scammers. A lot of people are going to want to DM you or message you in my name. That is not me. I will never DM you first, so never, think that's me. So the only thing I will offer is the $6 premium subscription through this Discord. What you want to do is go over to the premium chat on subscriptions and hit that. When you hit the premium chat, it is only $6 a month if you do it on your computer. If you do it on your phone, it charges like $1 or $2 more because it charges you an iOS fee. I don't want you guys to be charged more. I'm here for you guys. I want you guys to make the most out of your money and put that more into trading. So do it on your computer. Also, what you're going to get is my RTK swing trades. You're going to get my exact alerts and exits. I just alerted last Friday CTNT at 75 cents and 79, sold it at 87, as you can see right here. And then you can see my actual limit orders where I look to buy things before they actually happen. So this right here, this section is where you get alerted on your phone. If you just don't have time to look at charts and you just want to follow my trades, that's totally fine. And then how to properly accumulate reversals, indicators, watch these videos. The main thing is I have a journal. I try to make this as transparent as possible. If you want to see my trades with my averages and my wins and losses, as I'm completely transparent, I know this works. If I'm winning with you, I'm winning with you. If I'm losing with you. I'm here to play this out with you. Click on the journal. You can see my actual trades with my averages if you kind of want to follow along. I really, guys, want you on this journey. This is a very nice system, in my opinion, for one of the cheapest prices. A lot of people say I could charge well over $50, but the problem is not everyone has accounts to do this and give it a try. I want you guys to get your feet wet. It'll be grandfathered in for $6 a month, and I promise you, you guys are going to love this system. I'm looking at GWAB. I think this is going to be a runner, guys. I know it looks depressing, but that's when these big kind of runs happen, and well, let's see if we get the EMA 5 and 10 touch here very soon. Thank you guys for watching. Join the premium Discord if you want. And also, if you like the video, give it a like, subscribe, comment, and it helps the algorithm spread it to other retail traders. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in the Discord. Peace out.